Hi, we're the Neils from Unicoi Preserves, and today we're sharing a summertime favorite right here on the Ingles table. We're combining some amazing summer flavors for our mango colada mocktail.
It's one you don't want to miss, and Ingles has everything we need for this warm weather favorite. Now let's get stirring.
Hey, we just got back from picking up our groceries at Ingles. Clark, the fruit is so beautiful. I love when you walk into Ingles and everything just greets you. It looks so fresh with the flowers and those beautiful pineapples that they had on display in the front of the store. I really got inspired to make something refreshing for us since it's so hot outside.
Yeah, we were a little bit hungry when we were shopping. Always the best time to shop for your groceries. So I saw a beautiful pineapple. We picked it up because we knew that we had an idea for this wonderful mango
Colada mocktail. There's not going to be any alcohol in this, so it's family friendly. We're going to start off, Clark, if you can. You're the scooper. He's the pot stirrer and the ice cream scooper.
This is some mango sorbet. You find this in the freezer case at your local Ingles. I'm going to make a big scoop there. Plop it down in this.
In the hurricane glass. All right, so I'll trade sides with you. There you go. I know a lot of times if you're making a pina colada, you have to get out the blender and it takes cream of coconut milk and all these different things. Well, this recipe is just 3 ingredients plus your garnish.
We've got some chilled pineapple juice.
Yeah, it's great to keep your ingredients, your juices chilled this time of the year for when you're making your mocktails. So each one, we're going to use the whole can of the pineapple juice. Just pour that over your mango sorbet. And then we have got something new to me that I saw at Ingles. They have got so many cool new juices. This is a sparkling coconut water.
Yep.
So you know what that means? There is 0 calories in this water, which is super cool.
Fill the glass up with the coconut water. This adds a little bit of effervescence to it.
And really good flavor. I'm going to give them each a little stir. Incorporate those good ingredients together.
We've got we cut up that beautiful pineapple that spoke to me when I was in the store at Ingles, along with some maraschino cherries. We put some on a little bamboo skewer. We're gonna put those on the side of the glass. Just made a little slit in the pineapple so it sits down on the glass and doesn't fall in.
Look at how cute that is.
And there you have it, our mango colada mocktail.
Remember to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Until next time,
We'll see you online.